Your Excellency, from the first opportunity, we are now home to a significant market that is all ourselves. We attract companies with a lot of research. I think we can remove it to transform our region.
Infrastructure is critical in increasing the trade volumes within the community. Basically, that's how the calendar of the summit will look like: retreat, the summit, and then after opening the road, we shall come now back to the ordinary summit, where there are a number of agenda items. Some of them, one is to assess the integration of DRC into the community. Now, DRC is a full member, 7th partner state of the East African Community. That has been achieved during the tenure of the chair of President Uhuru Kenyatta as the chair of the EAC summit. It's through his guidance, through his support, through his vision that we've been able to achieve bringing DRC. And now when we talk of DRC, we are talking of extra 100 million people market into the EAC. Now giving the community a total population of over 300 million people. Now connecting the East African community from Indian Ocean to the Atlantic. And now that opens that corridor for ease of doing business.